If you have brain fog, stubborn belly fat, or unexplained joint pain, you might be inflamed. And no, inflammation isn't just about pain or swelling. It's the silent process destroying your metabolism, hormones, and longevity from inside out. Let's talk about the inflammation your doctor never tested for. I'm sure you have heard it before. Inflammation is the root cause of all diseases. But what does that actually mean? So let's simplify it. Inflammation is your body's defense system, like a fire alarm. When it's short and controlled, it heals you. When it's chronic, it burns your body from inside. What causes inflammation? Here is what keeps the fire going. Processed food, refined sugar, gut dysbiosis, toxin exposure, poor sleep, this is the big one, and chronic stress. Each one of these triggers your immune system and your body responds like it's under constant attack. That's why you might feel puffy, tired, achy, anxious, even if your labs look fine. Chronic inflammation doesn't always show up as pain. It shows up as brain fog, weight gain, insulin resistance, low libido, depression-like symptoms, or even anxiety feeling, constant fatigue. Because inflammation messes with your hormones, your gut, your mitochondria, basically every system that keeps you young and strong. Here is where functional medicine changes everything. We measure inflammation early, not when it's too late. The key labs to be tested are high-sensitive C-reactive protein, your baseline inflammation marker, homocysteine level, a clue for cardiovascular and brain inflammation, ferritin, iron storage that spikes with inflammation, cortisol, so stress and inflammation driven by stress, omega-3 index shows your anti-inflammatory balance. Your lab tells a story, but only if you know what to look for. So what's the fix? Calm the fire naturally. You can't fight fire with fire. You fight it by cooling the body down internally. And here is how you can start doing it. Number 1, anti-inflammatory diet, like whole foods, omega-3s, turmeric, fiber, improving your gut health. Number 2, strength training, lift weight. It reduces cytokines and builds metabolic health. Number 3, quality sleep. This is very important, your natural inflammation reset. Number 4, stress control, breath work, cold therapy, magnesium that calms you down, helps you control your stress. And yes, supplements can help, but only when it's paired with the lifestyle improvement. Why modern life keeps you inflamed? Our environment, food, screens, stress is basically inflammation fuel. If you're not actively fighting the inflammation, you are swimming in it. This is the reason even a fit-looking people can have high inflammation. Because inflammation isn't a look, it's a state. You can't be metabolically healthy if you are chronically inflamed. You can't age well, build muscle, or burn fat if your cells are on fire. So get curious. So run your inflammation labs. Start cooling your system down before it breaks down. If you learned something new today, hit that subscribe and share this with someone dealing with brain fog or fatigue. It might just change their life. And if you want to dig deeper, visit us here at MyFitMed to get the functional testing and root cause wellness.